Got him. I got him, mate. Okay, I'm gonna stop doing it. Oh, boy, bruv. Do you really think you could hurt me with that? Dummy. What did you just call me? Oh crap. Easy. I will send you to heaven. Thanks. Thanks for saying you're gonna send me to heaven. Oh wait, what did you do to my brother, bruv? Shut your gobs! Shut your gobs, man! Well, everyone, what do you want, ducky? Yeah. True. You ain't surviving this one. This next duck. Everyone, move out of the way. Ah, yes. The ultimate move. Yeah. Okay, see ya never, because you're gonna die. Guys, what do they mean by that? I don't know. Good thing I'm good at balancing. Ow. What was that, guys? Quackers. This is not the time to be fooling around, Hex. Yeah, I'm just gonna... You guys, don't leave me. Don't worry, I won't leave you. Why does everyone have the hiccups now? I don't know. Or A. Say hello to my little friends. Ethereal, who's this? Candy Cane. He doesn't speak. Wait, who's the other one? Oh, you'll see. Oh yeah, by the reason that this robot isn't finished is because we didn't know that there was this giant of a duck. We're cooked, bro. Okay, guys, let's go.